Hi sisters, Naomi Owens here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Jokes aside, hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. I'm so happy that you're returning, or if you're new here then welcome. My name's Naomi and I'm so happy to meet you. Over on my Instagram I asked if you guys would like to see me do a Jeffree Star or James Charles. I followed their makeup routine and you guys chose James Charles. So I have literally sat down, I've got my laptop at the side of me, I have literally typed in James Charles easy makeup tutorial and I've clicked the first one that came up and it says everyday easy glam makeup tutorial and glasses. I'll leave that link in the description below because that is the makeup video that I'm going to be trying to follow today. Before we get into the video, please give it a big thumbs up and if you are new here then please consider hitting that subscribe button. It really does mean an absolute world to me. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers and when I do there will be a massive giveaway. Right, I'm just gonna press play and we're gonna see what he starts off with. So yeah.
Hi sisters, James Charles here and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
So he's gone with a dewy face, fluffy brows and a nude lip. One, I don't have fluffy brows, so I probably don't have all the products that he has. You know, I've got Rimmel, but we'll just have to see. I don't know what products he's got. Like I say, I haven't watched this video, but we're going to go with it. It is easy glam makeup, so I'm hoping I can do it.
So I'm first going to start out, as always, priming my face using my Benefit Professional Primer.
Okay, so he starts with Benefit Professional Primer. I don't have that. I've got one primer and that's Primark, so that's what I'm going to use. And he just puts it all over, so that's what I'm going to do as well. Primer on, let's see what the next step is.
As always, I'm going to prime my nose using my Morphe R32 brush. Okay,
So he conceals his nose area before anything else. So that's what we're going to do. Okay, so I don't have that concealer that he's using. I'm just going to use the Revolution Conceal and Define. But let's pop some on my nose. I hope he blends this out. Let's have a look. Let's see if he does.
For foundation, I'm going to grab my Makeup Forever Ultra HD stick.
Well, it didn't say that he blended, but it looks blended on there, so he didn't say that he blended it out though. I'm going to blend. I'm not leaving it like that. He's just moved straight on to foundation, but surely he blended. He just missed that step out, didn't he? Well, it's disappeared. Might as well have not even done it. Let's have a look what foundation he's using. Probably don't have it. Yeah, I definitely don't have that foundation. So I'm going to go in with Rimmel. We're going to do following a James Charles easy makeup tutorial on a budget. That's what we're going to do, I think. Because looking at these products that he's using, I probably won't have any of them. So I'm just going to go in with my Rimmel foundation and yeah, I'm just going to put that on. Right, foundation is on and I think he's going in with concealer next, but I probably won't have that concealer, so let's see what he uses.
With my Shape Tape Concealer from Tarte, I'm going to highlight my face.
Shape Tape? Are you shitting me? I'm going to use Maybelline. Where else has he highlighted? His nose. Oh, he's got like a little tree going on top of his head. Yeah. And his chin. Oh, he's also like highlighted here. Right. I hope he blends. I really do hope he blends. Oh, he's blending. He's blending. Let's blend. I don't know why he's put it down here. That looks a bit silly if you ask me. But, you know, he's the beauty guru. I'm not. Keep blending, Naomi. Keep blending. Concealer on. Let's see his next step.
And I'm going to grab just a tiny bit of the Kat Von D White Out Concealer and just make a few dots under my eyes.
Then he goes in with another concealer under his eyes to make it brighter. I'm going to go in with the Revolution one and just put a little bit on. So he uses 2 concealers all the time. Let's blend. Right, next step, James. What have we got?
Then going with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I have not.
Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. I don't have that. Shock. I have Primark. So he's setting his eyes. So that's what I'm going to do. It's all gone in my eye. His looks flawless. Mine looks like I've just been shot flour. Like I've just shot flour at myself. I'm not putting powder anywhere else. It looks like I've just had a fight with the bakery. He hasn't said that he's dusted that away, but it looks like he has, so I'm going to dust this away. And then he goes in with another setting powder. So I'm going to use the Avon one because I don't have a MAC one. He's just said that this is an everyday easy glam makeup. I'm struggling. Probably because I don't have the same product as him because, you know, who has millions of pounds? But, well, he does, doesn't he? He does, really.
For on today's today, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Kit, Shock.
So he's contouring using a Kat Von D Shade and Light Kit. Obviously, I don't have that. But the most expensive bronzer that I have got is Hoola. So that's what I'm going to use. I won't use my Primark one in this video. I'll use my expensive Hoola. He's taking it up his forehead. It's making me feel a bit shitty about myself because I can't afford all this nice makeup. He's contouring his nose with something with loads of numbers in it with a brush. Something 180. I don't have that, so... Oh, well, this just looks mucky, James. What's the next step, James?
Next, to make my face, I'm going to take more of my Laura Mercier Translucent Powder and this brush from the Morphe Copper Collection and dip it in and then tap on the powder.
Also, he's going in with more powder. He's baking. Oh, he's baking a bloody cake. I don't have these brushes that he's using. He used like a flat brush with a powder. And he's like, I don't know, carving out his cheekbones. But they're already prominent. They're already carved out. Maybe I could start doing this. If it makes me look slimmer. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't like it. I'm just going to brush it away a bit. Nah, James, that step is not for me. Not loving that step. Wish I never done it, but I have done it, so never mind. What is your next step, James? Right, he's starting on brows. Right, let's see what the bloody hell he does with brows. Right, so he's just said that he usually uses the Anastasia Dip Brow, but he's not going to. He's going to use a Benefit one. But I'm going to use the Anastasia one, which is what he usually uses, because I feel like I've used nothing of what he's used at the minute. But I do have the Anastasia Dip Brow. Check me out. I know. I didn't buy it myself though. My mum bought me it. But this is what I'm going to use, and he's just doing his eyebrows. Obviously his eyebrows are a lot better than mine, so I'm just going to do my eyebrows as I usually would with the Anastasia dip brow. Right, eyebrows on. Let's move on to the next step.
And you guys could totally stop here if you wanted. Pop on your favorite mascara, highlighter, and some chapstick and just rock on to.
So he has just said that for everyday glam you can just stop here and you can just pop on a bit of mascara, some eyelashes and a bit of highlighter, or you can go for eyeshadow. Now if you have been with my channel a while, you will know that my reputation with eyeshadow is diabolical. Therefore I'm going to take James's advice and I'm going to stop now. I'm going to pop on some eyelashes and a bit of highlighter, and I'm going to see what nude lip he wears in a moment, and I will catch up with you in a bit. So I have popped on some eyelashes, I've popped on a bit of highlighter, and I haven't done a nude lip just because I'm not going anywhere and I'd only take it off. But this is my James Charles makeup tutorial. I didn't have any products except the eyebrows, but yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you had a bit of a laugh along the way. The question of the day is from Emma Richardson, and she asked, do you have any piercings? And the answer is yes. I have my ears pierced twice. But when I was younger, I used to have my belly button pierced, I used to have my lip pierced, and I used to have like the top of my ear pierced as well. But I've took all them out, I've grew up a little bit, and the only piercings that I have at the moment are just my 2 ear piercings. So yeah, I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think of it in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Ta-ra!